The Welsh National Rights Movement is an umbrella movement, and our aim should be to draw people together. And that's under one particular theme, which is rights, national rights. And those rights encompass things like housing, they encompass things like water, they encompass all sorts of different things. And those rights are laid out, they are enshrined in international law. And I can name the laws for you. I can name them. The UN Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples, the European Framework Convention for the Protection of National Minorities, to which the British government is a signatory. And we are classed according to the Race Relations Act as a national minority. So the UK government has signed up to these things, but our rights, and those rights are laid out in these documents, and they are international documents. So we're not being parochial, there is an international dimension to this. These rights are laid out, and we need to be able to articulate them and recreate a new moral framework to argue our right without, as it's been said, without being shouted down as small-minded, narrow-minded nationalists or racists. You know, we have a basic right, and other countries have stood up and asserted those rights, and we need to be able to do the same.
We're always looking what's different. Cardiff, North Wales, South Wales, Siarad Cymraeg, the Cymraeg. We haven't got time for that anymore. Now, in our lifetime, seriously, with this looming LDP situation, now is the time for us to stop all that. And the way I see it is, if we can hear, we're basically all nationalistic here, as the word goes. I don't really understand the word, to be honest, but we've all got that thing about us, and we've got slightly divergent things within that. But we've got to forget the diverging. We need to converge now. If we can do it here, then what we need to do is we need to get out to the rest of Wales. And all these things that this movement is talking about is common sense, and everybody will buy into it. Everybody will. People who don't think about politics, they don't think about situations, this is the only difference we can make. Because until enough of us are standing together and making a fuss, it doesn't matter how well we've honed down into what the problems are, nothing will ever change until dan ni'n sefyll fel un ac efo un llais dros Cymru. Diolch yn fawr.